Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering REGEX functions. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. Be sure you are using the most recent version before starting the project. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates desktop data file. There are three new REGEX functions in Excel that find and extract complex patterns in data: REGEX test, reg extract, and regex replace. We will try all three functions in this worksheet. Make sure you are in worksheet D10. Let's begin with regex test. With regex test, you can find out whether your data contains a specific pattern and will show the output as true or false. In this example, we have an Excel sheet containing account numbers in column A, and we want to test whether the account numbers contain any numbers. Click in cell B2 and type equals regex test left parenthesis. The first function argument for regex test is text, so we click in cell A2. Type a comma, and then we see the next function argument is pattern, and our pattern is 0 to 9. Add a closed parentheses and press enter. Let's review that regex test function one more time. A2 is the text we are testing, and 0 to 9 is the pattern we are searching for. Use the fill handle to drag the regex test function formula down through cell B11. And here are the results of the regex test function. Now we will move on to regex extract. The regextract function allows you to extract text from a string based on a supplied regular expression. In this example, we will use the function to extract the telephone numbers from the data in column D. Most regex function expressions are incredibly complicated, and learning how to write them can take a lot of time. Fortunately, we can ask ChatGPT for help. Here is how I prompted ChatGPT with, please create an Excel formula using regextract to extract phone numbers from cell D2. The phone numbers are formatted in two ways: 555-555-5555 and parenthesis 555 parenthesis 555-5555. When ChatGPT responds with a formula, click Copy. Click in cell E2 and paste the ChatGPT formula using Control or Command plus V. Then drag the fill handle to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. And here are the results of using the regextract function. The regex replace function replaces strings within the provided text that matches the pattern with replacement. In our example, we want the data in column G to be replaced in column H with a different date format. We will again ask ChatGPT for help when writing this formula. Prompt ChatGPT with, please create an Excel formula using regex replace to replace the date in cell G2, which is currently formatted as the pattern 2024-12-15 with the formatting pattern 12-15-2024. Click Copy in the ChatGPT results window. Click in cell H2 and paste the formula from ChatGPT using Control or Command plus V. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down to cell H7. And here are the results of the regex replace function. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.